Well, in this video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step roadmap on how I will become a network engineer in 2026 if I had to start over. Of course, we all know that the first thing you need to do is get your fundamentals. Fundamentals like the TCP/IP, the subnetting, switching, routing, all the different protocols. You must understand and know them. Now, you can get this information through studying, like for a certification exam, like the CCNA. I actually started in networking by getting my CCNA. This is a pretty tough exam, but it does, this is a pretty tough exam, but it does help you tremendously in your confidence on networking concepts. And it does help you understand all the basics. And it also gives you the opportunity to showcase your skills for potential employers. Now, the next thing you need to do is labbing. Labbing is very important. Labbing is probably one of the most important things that you should do that a lot of people skip. Now, if you're going to lab networking, you got a couple of different ways you can do that. The first way is you could build a lab with real world equipment. My suggestion for you is to not spend thousands of dollars on networking equipment. If you got to build a real lab and you want to get your hands dirty and you want to physically touch and use this equipment, especially get it used. They're selling it all over the place. You can go to eBay and find some working equipment. It may be very old equipment, but it would at least help you understand the concepts and get you started with networking. The second way, which I've used both ways, but I love Packet Tracer for beginners. Cisco's Packet Tracer is a free program. It allows you to simulate networking environments, and you can create networks, you can break them, and you can see how the traffic flows through the network. Very beginner friendly and very good. This is all you really need, honestly, to pass the CCNA and understand the concepts. If you want to go virtual, or build a real lab, either way would help you tremendously. And either way would also help you build real world confidence. The next thing that you should know is you should have soft skills. This is one of the things that a lot of people neglect. We have a lot of very smart, intelligent engineers, but zero soft skills. This is an important skill to have. Being a network engineer, you do have to talk across teams to different types of engineers. Sometimes you do have to talk to vendors and customers and different people with different levels of understanding and experience. You have to be able to explain things very clearly. If you can't explain things clearly, it'll be very difficult for you to solve problems with different types of users and engineers. Having these soft skills helps you communicate effectively, work great in the team, and also explain solutions clearly. If you're trying to get a job in 2026, it's good to also build your brand on a job career site like LinkedIn. You can develop a good profile and show you off your skills and be able to sell yourself to potential employers. And this sets you apart from other people. If I was going to become a networking engineer in 2026, these are the things that I would concentrate on. If this video helped you and you want more career guidance and more IT tips, please subscribe for more because I'll be making more videos. Also, if you're trying to begin your journey as a network engineer, it's very, very important just to start. Even just an hour a day would help you get closer to your goal of becoming a network engineer.